How are you all?
Good.
Hi, Akshara. How are you? Hi, Abhi. How are you?
Good.
One second. Okay. So, how was the homework on division, guys? How was the homework on division?
Good.
Did you find anything tough? And how was your break? I never asked you that. How was your break? Did you have fun?
Good. I didn't finish my homework yet, but I'm about to finish it.
Oh, okay. So, you were busy during the break?
Yeah, a little bit. Revision homework was pretty easy.
Oh, this week homework was pretty easy. Ritu, good to hear it from you. Okay. What was the difference then? Oh, because of division. I know why. Okay, I got it. How are you, Neil?
I
What's up, Neil? You're muted and you're talking. How can I hear you?
so was the homework page 39 to 52 in Beast Book 4B?
Yeah, correct. How did you know?
I just thought about it.
Ah,
Anyways, by the way, I did not really finish it because I somehow just did not do it well. I think somewhere around the break I had a play date also.
okay.
And
So
anyway,
okay, some of you have not submitted. That's what I saw. I do understand it's a break, but then I really want that to get done. Let's see.
I did the homework.
Yeah, ma, some of you have done, some of you have not done. Okay, Abhiram, will you submitted this?
late.
You submitted your homework late. Okay, I see.
I
I
did
see.
the I did the homework, but I forgot to send it.
Oh, I see. Okay, that's good to know. Vihan, were you able to do the homework fully?
Um, so like I forgot which page and then like I
But it's in the Google Classroom, right?
yeah.
Okay, I'll once check with your mom as well. Okay, but how are you finding? Are you able to understand these?
Yeah, division is like division is like I do I'm good with it, but yeah.
I see. Okay. Okay, let's go ahead. Meaning, I want to do more division though. Till 52 we did, I know, but I'm going to review that. How about this, guys? Mentally, Lakshanya, can you do this for me? Mentally.
My ink.
Yes, Priya, can we answer in chat?
Yeah.
Huh.
All of you can answer in chat. I just want Lakshanya to answer it aloud. Go ahead. I'm doing. Go ahead.
4 to 20 is 25.
What did you do, Ma?
I'm not really sure what the answer is.
Neither, I don't think it's right. Neil this right. Okay, guys, 2108 divided by 4, right? How many fours? 4 does not go in 2. Take 21. How many fours go in 21? 5. What is the remainder? Push the 1 in here. How many 4s go in 10?
2.
The remainder of 2. Push the 2 in here and make it a 28. How many 4s go in 28? 7.
Oh, I accidentally put 517 instead of 527.
Okay, that does not matter. Okay.
Miss Priya, can I tell you the strategy that I used? I first multiplied 500, but I first multiplied 500 times the 2000 divided by 4. That is 500. And 108 divided by 4 is 27. And if you add those together, it'll give you 527.
I like that a lot. How about 252 divided by 4? Who's going to work with me mentally? Abhiram, go ahead. You're going to shout out so everybody hears it too. Go ahead. Go ahead, Abhiram. I'll help you, Abhiram. Go ahead. You're muted and you're talking, guys. How can I
4
hear you?
divided by 25 equals
Wait,
6.
wait. 25 should be divided by 4. 4 cannot be divided by 25.
25,
Ah,
25, 25 divided by 4 equals 6. Then there's a remainder of 1, so bring that on. Then 12 divided by 4 equals 30.
good
So the
job.
answer would be 60.
Very glad to hear that from you. Who's going to help me with this?
I will.
This one? Real? It's a big one. Who's going to do
Okay,
it?
I'll try.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay, you can't do 2 divided by 9. So you do 27 divided by 9, which equals 3. They put that on the top. And after that, you can't divide 0 with 9, or you can't do 1 with.
Wait. Arnav, you cannot keep going. How many 9s go in 0? Ask the question. How many 9s go in 0?
0.
0. Go to the next one. How many 9s go in 1?
0.
0. So, but you have a remainder here. What is it?
1.
1. No, how many 9s go in?
Miss Priya, I sent my answer.
I'm talking, ma. I'm working with them. You cannot intervene in between, right? Go ahead, Arnav.
That's 2.
2. Then what?
That's 0, and then 2 zeros after 2.
Good job. 2 zeros after 2. Many of you got it. Good job, Abhira.
300,200.
Yes. Meera, did you have something to say?
Yeah, I didn't really get it because so 3 9s go in 27, 0 9s go in 0, and then shouldn't since 0 9s goes in 1, we should like take the next number 8 and then put 2 over there.
Okay, you didn't get it. Okay. 2701,800 divide by 9. How many 9s go in 2? Nothing, right? So 2 becomes a carry. How many 9s go in 27? 3. No carry. No carry here. So how many 9s go in 0? 0. But then do you have a carry? Nothing. No carry because it was a 0, no carry. Now how many 9s go in 1? 0. 9 can't go in 1, 0. But do we have a remainder?
No.
We have, right? 1. Because,
Oh, so we have 1 as the remainder?
yes. How many 9s go in 18, 2? How many 9s go in 0, 0? How many 9s go in 0, 0? Got it?
Yeah.
I'll give you
Can I
more
try the
questions.
next one?
5412 divided by 6. I would like Amira to.
Oh no.
Wait, Mira. Wait, Mira. Yeah, this is okay. This is good. Go ahead, Mira.
So 6 so nothing into 6 equals 5, so you bring the 4 and 6 times 9 is 54.
Yeah, go ahead, Mira. So what number comes there?
9.
Do we have a carry?
No.
Okay. What happens then? What is the next question you'll ask?
How many 6s go into 1? 0. And then 0 6s go into 2.
Good. That's it. You got it. Who wants to try now? Meaning, see, please.
Me.
If you have already tried, you have. How about this? Who has tried? Lakshanya, go ahead, ma.
Oh.
Wait, ma. I'll give you turn for everybody. Go ahead, Lakshanya. Let's try to help Lakshanya. If she makes a mistake, stop. Doesn't matter. Go ahead.
I just got confused. I thought you wanted to do like in a monitor working like.
Yeah, go
I
ahead.
got a bit confused.
Would you mind
Okay,
helping me?
8 into 64. 8 can go 8 times in 64, and 8 can go 0 times in 8. It goes 0 times in 4, but there's a remainder of 4. So 8 can go 5 times into 40, and then 8 into 0 is nothing.
Very nice. Okay, how about this? How about this? Who wants to try this? Please, if you've tried already, don't.
I'll try it.
Go ahead, Vihan. Very nice volunteering. I like that.
So 7 goes into, you can't do 7 into 4, so you do 7 into 49 is 7 times.
Nice.
And then 7 goes into 0 0 times. Then 7 goes into 0 0 times. And then 7 goes into 1 0 times. And then you carry. And then 7 goes into 14 2 times.
Very nice. Can I move on?
Yeah.
Very nice, Vihan. Akshara, your hand is raised. Do you want to say, ma? Neil, I'll give you the next one. Go ahead, Akshara.
So you can't do 5 and 2, so you have to do 20, and 5 times 4 is 20. So you put the 4, and then there's no carry, so 5 into 5 is like 1. And then you can't do, the 0 is not in 5, so it's 0. And then you can't do 1, so it's 0, but there's a remainder of 1.
Very nice.
And
But
then 5 times 3 is 15.
I'm proud of you all. See, that's a quick division. You know what? Let's say if I ask you who's going to answer next, I want to ask you a different question, but be prepared. Who wants to answer next?
Me.
You know what? I really wanted to do this one. 1 second, guys. 1 second, guys. Give me 1 second, guys. Give me 1 second, please.
Can I do it?
I want somebody who has not gone.
Okay.
Neil, go ahead. Just to be
Can
fair.
you just rearrange the question like 6, 3, 1, 8 and 9? Like
Yeah,
this?
I don't want to rearrange it like this, Neil. I want you to do this one.
Okay.
Yeah, tell me. We can do that daddy, mother, brother, sister, dog. See, this is also important. In school, if they ask
So
you.
no 9s fit in 6.
Okay, good.
But we have a reminder of 6.
Good.
Which
So
is
let's do that.
63, and 63 divided by 9 is 7. And there are no 1, and 1 divided by 9 is 0.
Neil, can I help you, please? Can I help you? How many 9s go in 6?
0.
How many 9s go in 6? 0. Let's do that. Now 9 times 0 is 0. What is the remainder? 6. Then you bring down 3. Now go ahead. How many 9s in 63? You're going to teach us now. Go ahead.
So, but actually, I want to explain it my way. So,
Okay.
63. So we have, so there are 0 3s in 6. And then we have a carryover. We put it in 3. And then it's 63. That 63 is divided by 7 is 700. And 1 divided by 9 is 0. So we put.
Okay, you go ahead with yours. You can write on the board. You can
700.
Do it on the board. Do it on the board now.
Now it does it set. Now we have 700, and then 1 divided, and then now we carry over 1 to the 8, and 10 and we're gonna act like 1 is 10, and 10 plus 8 is 18, and 18 divided by 10, 18 divided by 9 is 2. So the answer is 702.
Neil, can you do it here? Can you do it here? That's a good way. I also want everybody to know the way. Can you do this? Can you do it in here? From the start. So what did you do? That's a very good way. I wanted to bring that up as well. Yeah, go ahead. You should never get confused between ways. Okay, these are multiple ways of playing with the number. Neil, go ahead.
9 into 6, that's 0. But not then we have a carryover of 6. We're going to make that 60. And 60 plus 3 is 63. And 63 divided by 9 is 7. And then 1 divided by 9 is just 0.
1 minute, 1 minute. Neil, wait. When you write it down, we need to be clear. I really like the way. He's saying how many nines in 6, nothing. So he takes 63. 9, 7s are 63, right? So what I do is I write the 7 here this time. So 7 nines are 6, 3. Go ahead. What should I do now?
The next step is to is to divide 1 into 9. That is 0. So we have to carry over 9, put 1 and put 1 as 10, and 10 plus 8 is 18, and 18 divided by 9 is 2.
Good job, Neil. I'll go with you. Let me explain this, okay? This is another way, guys, okay? Good job, Neil. The way you did it is correct, but let me explain that. So here, now, see guys, 9. Consider the 6,318 as a whole. What number do you know? 6 times, can I say 700? It's easy for you, right? What is 6 times 700? 6,300, right? Yeah. So you have a remainder of 18. Now we need to see that. How many nines go in 18? 2, right? So that gives you 0. So see, the quotient is the added value of this. You got it? We found out how many nines are in 6,318. It was easy. When you have hundreds and tens, it's very easy. Yes, Akshara, tell me, what is it?
I have another way to do it.
What is it?
Okay, so
Go ahead, Ma.
so you can't do 9 and 6, so you do 63. And so 9 into 63 is 7, so you write 7 there.
Yeah.
And then and then you add that, which is 0. And then you bring that, and then you can't do anything, so it's a 0. And then, so then you bring down the 18.
Oh, that's also my way.
Or the 8.
Yeah.
And then
18.
you do 18 divided by, or 9 times 2, which is 18, and 18 minus 18, which is 0. So the answer is 702.
Traditional way of doing it. Okay.
That's my way of doing it.
Way of doing it. The quick way is this. As I said, right? You can do this. Okay. The quick way for you to check answers after doing it in school, you can do this. Okay. Not in reality. If you do this, they will take away points completely. You have to show this in school. You got it? One another way, when you understand numbers better, this is one another way of doing it. Meaning, you're trying to find out how many nines are in 6,300, or how many nines are in 6,000, or how many nines are in 6,000. For that matter, if you 6,000 means you go 9 times 7 nines are 63. That's too much. 6,000 only I need, right? 9 times 6, 54. See? 54. So I can put what here? 9 times. Can I put a 16 here? If I put a 16 here, what happens? If I put a 600. If I put a 600 in here, 5,400. Do you see it?
Yeah.
See it, guys, 6 nines are 54 and then 0, 0. So now what remains? How much ever it remains, I'm taking whatever remains. Okay, it's simple. Now again, I have to divide by 9. When I divide by 9, till what I should go? 9, and then you have a 918. What is the easiest to go? Can I put a 10? 9 times 10. Or can I put a 100? 9 times 100 is a 900. I am removing how many ever 9s I see. Okay. Now I have 18 remaining. Again, I have to find out how many nines are remaining. 2. See, that completes it. Now The added value of this is your quotient. That is another way when you try to manipulate numbers, when you try to understand division better, this is the best way. You're just counting how many 9s are there in 6,000. Very easy to find out. How to find out? It starts with a 6. What multiple of 9 5s are 45 is too low. 9 6 are 54. This is 63. Yes, that is fine. Or if you want, you can use this as well. That is also fine. But I just took up 6,000. So 5,400 is below. So 9 times 600 is 5,400. You can do like this as well. Okay. Now, question for all of you. You're going to do and let me know.
Yay! In the
Yeah.
chat.
Yeah, Mama. Yes. So now, guys, how do you know if a number is? I really want you guys to know divisibility rules. This is useful till you finish math. Okay, till you go for a job, even after going a job, you can use. Okay, but I think we have covered this earlier. When do you say a number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9? Is it divisible by 2? Meaning, will 2 go evenly into this number?
No, the divisibility rule of 2 is an even number. It's pretty easy. The divisibility rule of 2, if the ones place digit or units digit ends in a 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8.
So the ending number has to be 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8. Correct? These are digits. Digits form together to form what? These are numbers. Please don't confuse these. The terms are so important. These are digits. Okay, when you put digits together, they form numbers. Okay, now 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 are even digits in mathematics. What are the odd digits?
1, 3, 5, 7, 9.
These are the odd digits. Any number ending with even digits will be divisible by 2. That means 2 goes evenly into that number. Immediately you have to say whether it is divisible by 2. Very easy. Now, I will ask by name. How can you tell that this number is divisible by 3 or not? How can you say that this number is divisible by 3 or not? Ritu, do you know?
I know.
Meera, you want to say?
I know how to do it for like 3-digit or 2-digit numbers. So basically, you add them up and see if they're divisible by 3.
Same thing applies here. Go ahead.
So
6 plus 5, 11, 11 plus 4, 15, 15 plus 20, 21. 2 plus 1 is 3. Is it divisible by 3?
yeah.
Yes. If you sum the digits, if it is divisible by 3, the number is divisible by 3. How do you determine if this number is divisible by 4? How do you determine if this number is divisible by 4? Who can tell me?
Me.
Neil, go ahead. Neil or Lakshanya, your hands are raised. Go ahead.
And the divisibility of rule is 4 is kind of a little bit hard, but it is pretty kind of easy.
What
Part
is
hard and part easy. Well, when if it's like 4, 8, 4, 8, or 0. 4, 8 is like the easier part, but sometimes you gotta look at the tens digits. If the tens digit is 0, 2, 4, 8, that means it's a multiple. The tens digit is a multiple of 4. And
okay?
look for the ones. Look for the ones.
Uh-huh.
If it's 4 or 8 with an even tens digit, it's a multiple of 4. However, if there's an odd digit, if there's an odd number digit, like in the tens place, like 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, that means the units digit must end in 2, 4, 2, and 6.
Nice. Let me reframe it. Can I reframe it?
Yeah.
Okay. For if you want to check whether a number is divisible by 4 or not, look at the last 2 digits. Look at the last 2 digits. Perform a quick division.
That's what I do.
56. Take the last 2 digits and perform a quick division by 4. Is it divisible by 4?
Yeah. Because we know that 100 is divisible by 4. We can just check the last two digits.
Yeah. Last 2 digits will tell you whether it's divisible by 4. Abhiram, what do you want to say, Abhiram? So, Abhiram, you're muted, Abhiram, and talking. How can I hear you?
Yes.
I was gonna say the same thing as Neil.
Oh, nice. Okay. Very nice, Abhiram. So,
Divisible
divisibility
by
by 4, you have to
14.
check the 2 digits. Okay. Now, how do you say if a number is divisible by 5 or not, guys? Who can tell me? Ritu, do you know whether a number is divisible by 5 or not by looking at which digit? Ritu, go ahead, man. I'll help you. You have to unmute yourself. Go ahead. Okay, I'll ask somebody else now. Who wants to say divisibility by 5? It's easy, guys. Go ahead, guys.
So basically, you have to look if the last digit ends in 5 or 0.
Good. Last digit ends in 5 or 0. Do you all know how to say whether the same? Oh my God. Do you know how to say whether the same number is divisible by 6 or not?
No.
Okay.
The
There are
digits 0 or 6. Then it's
not
divisible.
really, not really, not really. Good try though. Lakshanya, go ahead.
It has to be divisible by 2 or 3.
2 and 3.
2 and 3, sorry.
Okay, but why is that working? When you consider divisibility by 6, right? You have to check divisibility. Can it be divisible by 2, divisible by 3? If this number is
You must follow both of the divisible.
Part
Do
of it
both of the
falls under
divisibility rules. 2
it,
and 3. First step. The
part of it
divisibility.
falls under factorizing.
If that is your answer to the question, then Arnav, I'm going to ask you another question. He says, hey, I said, if you want to check divisibility by 6, please try 2 and 3, I told you. I gave you a clue. Yes, that works actually. He says, because these are factors. No, right? Not really. Let's see. Let's see. 6, it works like that. But let's try for another number. Maybe 12.
But I have the strategy. I know the divisibility
12.
rule of
You
that.
want,
6.
you want to check if this number is divisible by 12 or not. What should you check for?
6 and 2, I think.
Not really. That's where it fails.
Well, I think I know the divisibility rule for 6.
Yeah, divisibility rule for 6 is already done, Neil. You have to check divisibility by 3 and 2. That's already done. Okay, it works. When you check for divisibility by 12, what will you do?
Stretching out my brain just to solve.
Yeah. Good, good. Scratch your brain. That's why I asked you. Lakshanya, go ahead, ma. Meera, you can also go ahead. We'll make it into a discussion, guys. See, Arnav said, if you want to check divisibility by 6, he immediately said, oh, 3 and 2. Okay, it works. That's true. He said factors. Yes, they are factors.
Miss Priya,
You want to check divisibility for 12, 6 and 2 doesn't work. They are still factors, but they don't work. Why?
Because 12 is also a multiple of 4. And just 2 is just 2 by an even number. Even number by even number. That will just make you that number a multiple of 4. So we should add it as 4. 6, 2, and 4.
I think I might know.
Go ahead.
I think 6 and 2 doesn't work because the rule for 6 is 3 and 2, and one's an odd number and one's an even number. So there has to be like one's an odd number and one's an even number, but they're both even numbers. It has to be 4 and 3.
She's saying 4 and 3 will work, 6 and 2 doesn't work. Why, guys? Meaning she's trying to get there, but that's not exactly right. Just because it is an even number and an odd number doesn't mean. Meaning, what I want to tell you is, Yes, 4 and 3 is the right answer. You're right. But then it is not that it is odd and even. That is not the reasoning behind it. There is something else about the 2 and 6 that does not work. There's something else about the 4 and 3 that works. Similarly, why 4 and 3 works here? Same reason 3 and 2 works for 6. I want you to identify what is that pattern.
Miss Priya,
Yeah.
is it because they're consecutive numbers?
They're consecutive numbers, is it? Then I'll tell you.
I know.
Yeah, go ahead.
So basically, you have, because you're just adding one more to 3 and one more to 2.
That's what he's also saying, consecutive number. Then I'll give you one more question to see a pattern. If I want to check whether this number is divisible by 36, right? I go for 9 and 4 only. That only will work. Nothing else will work. I have to go with 9 and 4. They are not consecutive numbers. But there's something else special about this 9 and 4, 4 and 3, 3 and 2. What is it?
It both have 4s.
They both have force, but 3 and 2 does not have force.
They both have
They're
threes.
divisible by each other?
Amma, you have to go think a little deeper. What is that that's common to these? Meaning 3 and 2 works. 4, what type of numbers are they? 4 and 3 works. 9 and 4 works, but nothing else works. 12 and 3 doesn't work. 12 3s are 36, but 12 and 3 doesn't work. Similarly, what else? 18 and 2 doesn't work. They're also factors, but only 9 and 4 works. How come? There is something special about the 9 and 4. What type of numbers are they? 4 and 3. What type of numbers are they? 3 and 2.
Square.
Yes.
What is it?
They're prime.
They're square numbers.
Oh wait, never mind. 4 is not prime.
But that's partially right. They are not. See, prime. The route is correct. The way you're going is
One
correct.
is prime and one is consecutive? Right. One is prime and one is...
Composite.
Yeah.
Good one. That's a good try. Yes. When you look at it, right, guys, when you look at the pairs of numbers where you're testing it out, right, they don't have a factor that's common to both excluding one. Did you understand that? They both don't have a factor that's common to both excluding one. These special numbers are called coprimes, meaning there is no common factor between these two numbers. You have to find out the divisors of 30, you have to find out the factors of 36, no doubt. 12 and 3, if you have, 3 is common to both. 3 is divisible by 3, 3 is divisible by 12, so it does not work. When you consider 18 and 2, 2 is divisible by 2, 2 is divisible by 18. So there's always a number that's a common factor to both. Whereas, if you take coprime numbers, which are 4 and 9, 4 and 3, and 2. Coprimes means there are no numbers that is a common factor of the two numbers that you are choosing. 3 and 2 does not have anything in common excluding 1.
Like
4
9 and 2.
9 and 2 are coprimes. Yes. For 18, to check the divisibility of 18, you have to choose 2 and 9. Correct. You have to check divisibility by 2, divisibility by 9. Good job. You got it? So you have to choose coprime numbers. Yep.
Is 12, another way is 12 and 5. That is 60.
12 and 5. Yes. To check divisibility of 60, you have to choose 12 and 5 works. Correct.
Maybe 76 and 4.
76 and 4 for what, ma?
That's a coprime. Like
No,
whatever.
they're not coprime. 76 and 4 are not coprime because 2 goes evenly in both.
Oh yeah.
So good discussion, but good way to find out coprime numbers. So you need to understand coprime numbers will help to check divisibility of bigger numbers. This is so useful when you go up. Not now. Let's move on. Okay.
Like,
Now,
but 74 and 79 and 4 works. Odd and even is a good one.
Oh no, odd and even is not a good one. Here it works. I agree. But every time don't go with odd and even. Okay, let's see. Let's see this one. How about this? I don't know. Will you be able to do this? Let's see. Okay. How about this? Suppose if I give you this, I really want you to do this for the homework. So I just want to make sure you understood, guys, before even I move on. I don't want you to ask your parents for all these puzzles. These puzzles, you should be able to do it by yourself. Okay.
I love
Each,
pyramid descents.
what is it?
I love pyramid descents.
Oh, really? Then this is also a pyramid descent, actually.
Really?
Yeah. This is
Yeah.
also a pyramid descent. For this one, don't ask parents, guys. Okay. You need to be able to do this by yourself. I'll make you and I'll let you know how to do. You can do it by yourself. Okay. So let's start from the top. Okay. Divisibility by 5. So you keep on dividing by 5.
Don't
and
you put
reach
the
the
line between 36 and 25?
No. There's nothing. There's
Oh.
none. That's incorrect. That's 3625. Okay, I should have written it differently, right? Rather than telling you, I should have written it correctly. So 3625. Now start dividing by 5. Make a pyramid descent. Meaning, if you divide by 5, then go to the number which is the answer, quotient. Then from there, divide by 5 and go to the lower row number, which is the quotient. Keep going. Who is going to do it first and show on the board? One of you choose, ma. One of you by yourself
do
you
it.
choose and give turns. I don't want you.
Can I do it?
Go ahead. Who asked? Ritu, you're too quiet. Why don't you do? Okay, Neil or Meera do. Both of you are very excited. Go ahead. Neil or Meera, one of you do. You take turn. You should know how to give turns and take turns. Good. Both of you are doing. Okay. Is 735 correct, Neil? You're talking on mute, ma.
Yeah, it is divisible by 5.
It is divisible by 5. What is that, guys? Wait, I'm not able to see the board. Hold on. Okay, guys, the way it works is one of you is right, one of you is incorrect, right? 3625 divide by 5 is what? 7s are 35, carry over 1, 2, 25. This is 725 is correct, Neil. So you have to come here. Now 725 divide by 5 is 1, carry over 2, 4. Vihan, did you understand what is happening?
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. And then you gotta go to
Yes,
to
Neil.
29. Okay, now I get it. Okay. It's like a division pact.
Yes, division.
Divide the number, then go to that number, to that answer. Divide the number and go to that answer. And
Yes.
better idea than pyramid descent. The normal pyramid
The
descent.
red one is the pyramid descent. You got it?
It's a better idea than the exponent pyramid descent, because you can't like solve anything in the thing, because only like the exponents.
Agree. Vihan, did you get it?
I got it.
Ritu, did you get it? Ritu, I want you to answer. Ritu, did you understand how to do division pyramid descent? What's going on with her? Hey, Ritu.
Yeah.
Oh, did you understand? Yes, ma, you're muted and you're not talking. How many ever times
Yeah, I understood.
Okay, so I have given you a sample. I think that's more than enough for you guys to keep moving that. Okay, now let me see. I'm going to ask you questions on divisibility. I told you the divisibility rules for 2, 3, 4. I also told you for 5. I also told you for 6.
And 12.
So, yeah, 12. Bigger numbers, yeah, some of them we discussed. Okay. But for 8, what do you do? See, 4 and 8 are similar. 3 and 9 are similar. For 4, you consider the last 2 digits of a number, right? For 8, you need to perform quick division on the last 3 digits of the number.
And then with 16, you gotta repeat again, but instead of the last 5 digits.
Last 4 digits of the number. For 16,
I mean 4 digits. Yeah, right.
Yeah. So for 4, you'll first find the 2 digits, for the last 2 digits. For 8, you'll compare the last 3 digits, perform a quick division. For divisibility by 16, you will go ahead and perform a quick division on the last 4 digits of the number. Now for 9 as well is similar to 6. The 9, it's similar to 3. How? The sum of the digits will be
It's
divisible
kind
by
of similar to 3 because you can add the digits, but instead, after you add the digits, you gotta make sure that that number is not just divisible by 3, also divisible by 9.
Good job. So the sum of the digits should be divisible by 9 for divisibility by 9. Now tell me guys, 15236, please in chat only. Is this number divisible by 9? Is it divisible by 9?
Your grammar is very questionable. You see, I add my own lyrics to.
Go ahead guys. Oh, good. Arnav, how did you calculate? Meera, that's right. Ritu, that's right. Ritu, good job, Ritu. You're so silent, but you're doing it correctly. Neil,
Can
that's
I
right.
explain it?
1 minute, ma. Lakshanya. Yes, Lakshanya, I got all your answers. Akshara. Akshara, is it divisible by 9? I asked you, no answer. Vihan, is it divisible by 9? No answer. Why? Why Vihan? Why is it divisible by 9, Vihan?
Um, because
Can I explain?
Yeah, can I explain?
Can I explain?
Vihan, go ahead, Vihan.
the last 2 digits are
Okay. No, right? That is only for 4. To check divisibility by 4, you go with that. To check divisibility by 9, wait, I want to check answer from Arnav. Let's see. 1 minute, wait. Arnav. Arnav, why did you say yes?
Because I thought the last 2 digits, because 9 times 4 equals 36.
Guys, only the last 2 digits is coming into picture only for divisibility by 4. For divisibility by 8, you have to check the last 3 digits. For 3 and 9 are similar, I said. What do you do for 3? You should do for 9. Can Vihan and Arnav pick how to check divisibility by 9? It's similar to 3. What do you do for 3? One of you should answer, Emma.
I'm pretty sure it's the last digit.
Vihan, do you remember? No, not really, Arnav. Vihan, do you remember divisibility by 3?
Huh?
it should be like if it if it's like 21, then 2 plus 1 equals
Correct.
3.
Correct. Can you do the same thing and answer? Arnav, are you taking notes?
Yeah.
I really want you to write down whatever we are discussing. So what do you do, Arnav, for divisibility by 9?
So,
You have to sum the digits. 1 plus 5 plus 2 plus 3 plus 6.
And then you have to see if it's divisible by 9.
Keep summing the digits till it becomes a 1-digit number. or 2-digit number, is it divisible by 9? Check and tell. Quick, Arnav and Vihan, I need your answers. I'm going to go ahead with other questions. Both
By
of you.
the way, I wanted to. By the way, did
Yeah.
you see my chat comment that I put about the divisibility rule of
Not
12?
yet, not
No.
yet. I'll. Yes, good, Vihan. Yes. Correct. That's right. Yes, Neil, I checked. Yes, both of you got it right. I'm going to move on now. Okay. Now let's see this one. I am going to write out a 3-digit number. Okay, I'm going to write out a 3-digit number. 8, 1, 2. I'm saying the 3-digit number is divisible by 4. What can be the value for B? Please send in chat. What can be the value for B if it is divisible by 4?
But is that number 8,113?
See, it's a 3-digit number.
Wait,
Wait,
what
B
is
is
that number? I can't see it because it looks like 81B.
B equals 2. That makes sense. Okay.
Good job, Vihan. That's right. Lakshanya. I didn't get your answer. Abhi, correct. Lakshanya, is that right? No. Not really, Lakshanya. Both are incorrect. Meera. Yes, Meera, that is correct.
Yay.
Wait, what is the value of B?
Yeah, what is the value of B if this number is divisible by 4?
Oh, okay.
Good job, Neil. Both of your answers are right. Lakshanya, correct. There are multiple answers for this. Ritu, where is your answer? See, guys, when you think about it, it can be what? What are the possibilities?
Yeah, am I right?
Am I right?
Yeah, Ritu, correct, Ritu. Arnav, that's right. One answer. There are multiple answers. It can be 2 or a 6. Both 12 and 16 are divisible by 4. So it can be 2 or a 6. Now let's try this one. Let's try this one, guys. Let's see. Wait. How about this? Can I say 156, okay, is divisible by 12, okay? If that is the case, can I say it is divisible by 4? Can I say if it is divisible by 4?
Can I shout out?
Yeah, please. Thank you for checking. Go ahead.
Yeah, because 12 is divisible by 4.
Exactly. So this number is divisible by this number. And this number is divisible by 4 already.
Because all multiples of 12 are multiples of 4.
4. Good job. Now let's see this one. I have a number that is divisible by 21. Okay. Is that number divisible by 7? Is that number divisible by 7? Divisible means go evenly in by 7. Is that number divisible by 7?
Yeah.
Can I shout it out?
Yeah, say it out loud. That's okay.
Yes, because 21 can be divided by 7.
Good job. Okay, how about this? 9876543 Is it divisible by 4? Is it divisible by 4? Arnav,
Yeah.
tell me.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, how Arnav? Why Arnav?
Because the last two numbers are 32
Good
and
job,
4
guys.
times 8 is 32.
You're all really awesome. Okay, how to check divisibility by 25? How to check divisibility by 25? 9876550. Is it divisible by 25?
Yeah.
What is it? How?
Because
Zero.
the last two digits must end in 25, 50, 75, or or 00 because 25 fits evenly in 100.
Good job. So the last two digits should be 25, 50, 75 or 00. Because the last two digits should be divisible by 25. It can be 00 or 25 or 50 or 75. Got it? Now let's see this one. How about, okay, let's see. Okay, I have a number 19056. Okay, I would like to add a very small number. I want to add the smallest number to it. The smallest number to make it divisible by 25. To make it divisible by 25. What is that number? What is the smallest number I can add? What is that smallest number? You're going to send the answer to me. Take your time, okay? But I want your explanations as well once I start receiving answers. I'm telling that I need the smallest number. Good job, Arnav. That was fast.
Did I get my answer right?
Yes, Abhi, you got it right. Ah, Vihan. You did it.
Nice, Priya. Did I get it right?
What, ma?
Did I get it right?
Sorry, ma, I did not see yours. Not really. If you add a 4, what happens, Lakshanya? If you add a 4, this number becomes 19060. How do you know that it's divisible by 25? It's not divisible by 25. Because you see the last two digits, they're not divisible by 25. Did you get it, Lakshanya? What, Lakshanya, if you add it to, the number becomes 058. It is not again divisible by 25, Lakshanya.
Can I explain it?
Yeah, 1 minute, ma. Wait, ma.
Okay.
Nice, Neil. I really like your explanation. Meera, correct, ma. Okay, I'm waiting for some of your answers. What is going on? Akshara, did you get it? Lakshanya, that's right. Good job, Lakshanya. Akshara, can you explain? You're so quiet. Meera wanted to explain, I know, but you're too quiet. Tell me. Go ahead, ma.
So
Go ahead. Okay, go ahead, Meera.
Okay, so basically, it has to end in 25, 50, 75, or 2 zeros. And the closest number you can get by adding is 75. So you have to add 19 more to get that 75 at the end.
Good job. So the closest number to this when you go forward to make it divisible by 25 is 75. So for 56 to go to 75, what number you're going to add? 19. So 19 is your answer.
Keyword.
Yeah. So now let's see this one. Okay. Do you all know how to find the area of a triangle?
But I only know how to find area of triangles with the right angle because I can just easily find the perimeter, double it up, and then find the perimeter of the rectangle and split that into half.
Perimeter,
Wait, never mind. I mean perimeter.
perimeter of the area. Okay, guys. Now, what is the area of this shaded triangle? What is the area of the shaded triangle?
Can I say it?
You can send it in chat. How about that?
Okay.
Thank you, Ma. I want to know how many of you know.
Is Priya?
Yep.
Is my answer correct?
Akshara.
Is my answer correct, Miss Priya?
Akshara. I'm not asking for the rectangle, Akshara. I'm asking for the triangle. Meera, that's right. Abhi, that's right. Akshara, it's for the.
Yes,
Arnav, that's
that's
not
not
correct,
correct.
Arnav. I don't know how you got that. Honestly, I don't know how you got that. Can you explain how you got that, Arnav?
Yeah, because I thought you since half a rectangle is a triangle, I thought you split it in half, so it's 21.
True, but the rectangle, how to find the area of the rectangle? Oh my God, I know what you did. Hey, Arnav, 15 times 6 is the area of the rectangle, right? But then you divide that by 2. How do you divide it by 2? The easiest way is to perform division first. 6 divided by 2 is 3. So 15 times 3 is 45 square units.
Oh.
So for a right triangle, it is always half of the rectangle.
Yeah.
Akshara, did that make sense? Did that make sense? Okay, let me ask you a couple of questions. Ordinary division problems you have to do, guys. Okay, let's see this one. What is a dodecagon? What is a dodecagon?
Is it a polygon that has 12 sides?
10.
Decagon is 10. Dodecagon is
12?
12. Good job. A polygon. What is a regular dodecagon?
It means all of the sides are equal.
Good job. Very nice. All sides of the 12-sided figure are equal. That's what it means.
Or
Okay.
if it's like a normal dodecagon or something. Sometimes, well, I'm gonna draw an unnormal decagon. So
What is
I'll a normal dodecagon.
Which
What
is
is
called
a hendecagon? What is a hendecagon?
1, 2,
uh,
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
I think it might be 17 sides.
11.
11 sides.
11 sides.
Yep, 11-sided polygon. Can I move on?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, how do you do this problem, guys? I just need, wait. I just need to know the remainder of this. What will happen? How do I find the remainder of this complex division problem? Guys, please don't multiply and divide. That's not the way. I don't want you to do that. How do you find out the remainder of 43 times 225 divided by 42? You can think out loud. I will think out loud with you because this is so important if you are going to branch into competitive math. I'm all ears. I'm waiting for you to say something.
I think I know.
What? Tell me.
Okay, so it was like Neil said earlier, like 4 times 2 equals 8. So 4 times 200 equals 4 times 200 equals 800, and after 25 times 3, which equals 75, so 875. So then after that, you just take an add another 0, which is 8075, I think.
What me? Go ahead, Arnav. Again, tell me what did you do?
So I took the 4, and then I took the other 2, and then 4 times 2 equals 8. Then after there's another 2, so you have to add a. No, wait, I forgot my other method.
Really there. See, what do you do? See, this is a big number. You don't want to multiply and then find the remainder. Kira, what do you do to get it? We have learned in 3C book. We have learned
I'm not that sure.
there. Okay.
Can I have a clue?
Yeah, you can have a clue. You can have a clue. Hold on. Anybody else? Anybody else? Okay. Let me give you a clue. You can, when 43 is divided by 42, what is the remainder?
43 divided by 42, reminders 1.
Yeah.
45 divided by 42, what is the remainder, guys?
Um.
Question. Can think. Let's see. 42 times 5 is easy. How to do 42 times 5 mentally? Think about it.
Just easy.
What is it?
Multiply that, just easy. Divide that number by 2 and multiply that number by, multiply the number divided into 2 to 10. And then because 2 divided by 1, 2 divided by 10 divided by 2 is 5.
Yeah, so what is that?
210.
200. What will be
And
the
that is, and 42 and divided by 15. 15 is more closer to 0 than 42. So maybe you should round down.
Neil, what is the remainder when 225 is divided by 42? That is the question. Do you want to switch on your light maybe?
Then it is 5.
Huh?
Oh yeah, maybe I should.
Please go. Go ahead, guys. What is 225 divided by 42?
Can we do it?
I want you to do it mentally. You see, ma 225 divided by 42, right? 42 times 10 is 420, which is too much. But it's almost half. So what is 42 times 5? Mentally, you can do that. This is split
2
it,
times
ma, 40 and 2. This is 200 and then 10. 210 is your answer. 210 is very clear.
So maybe 42. So maybe we should do 42 times 6 now?
No, we don't have to do because from 210, 225 is only 15 away. So there is no 42. So what is the remainder?
15.
15. Now one time, see, here the remainder was 1. Here the remainder was 15. So multiply the remainders 15. So 15 is the remainder when this big number is divided by 42. Makes sense? Hey, this one is an important concept when it comes and branches into so many important concepts later if you want to go to competitive math. So, for you to find out 43 times 25 times 26 times 6 times 5. If I want to divide this by 3, what is the remainder? How do you find the remainder of this? You don't need to multiply everything. When you divide 43 by 3, what is the remainder?
1.
Yeah.
1. Good job. When you divide 25, what is the remainder? 25 by 3. 1. When you divide 26, what is the remainder?
2.
2. When you divide 6, what is the remainder? There's no remainder.
0.
There's no remainder. Wait. No. When you divide by 3, what is the remainder?
If you divide 5 into 3, that's 2. Reminders 2.
Okay. Now, guys, 6 is, you see, this entire number is a multiple of 6. Just now we learned that if it is divisible by 6, it's divisible by 3. So what should be the remainder?
It's the answer is 1 remainder 2.
Wait, ma. This entire number is a multiple of 6, right? 6 is divisible by 3. So when you divide the entire number by 3, what will be the remainder? See, if this number, whatever number I write down, right, is divisible by 9, then it is divisible by 3, correct? Similarly,
Yeah.
entire number is divisible by 6. Is it not divisible by 3? This entire number is divisible by 6 because it's multiplied by 6. So is this number divisible by 3 or not?
Yeah. I mean, no.
I think you've, okay. Let's see this one. 51298. I'm saying divisible by, let's say I'll put it out as 20. This entire number is divisible by 4. Okay. If that is the case, can I say it is divisible by 2?
Yeah.
If it is divisible by 2, what is the remainder?
0.
0. If it is divisible by 4, then the remainder is 0. If it is divisible by 2, the remainder is 0. Now, this big of a number, right? 43 times 25 times 26 times 6 times 5. I'm asking, when you divide by 3, what is the remainder? When you look at it closely, this entire number is divisible by 6 because there is a 6 factor in it. This entire number is divisible by 6. So, is it divisible by 3 or not?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, what will be the remainder?
It's
0.
0. Since it's divisible by 3, the remainder will be 0. Got it, guys?
Yeah.
Okay, how many of you didn't get it? Bihan, did you understand?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Then I'll stop here, guys. Any questions for me?
What's the homework?
What's the homework?
Yeah.
We have a game kit for homework without just the questions.
What was that, Meera? Tell me.
Can we have a game kit for homework, but can we play the game as well instead of just the questions?
Okay, I don't get what you're asking. You want me to assign GIM kit. So in that, what do you want?
I can
Instead of
explain it.
having only questions, can we also play the game?
Play the game means you want it to be, oh, you don't want it to be a cash tycoon, huh?
Yeah.
Just that.
You want to play it as a game, like what is that? Go down, or go up, go fishing, like
Look
that.
down, like don't look
down.
down.
Go down. Okay, let me try. Sure, let me try.
Can we do it now?
Oh, not now. Not now. We'll do
I
it.
could host a game kit. I have a math game kit. My dad set up the questions.
Yeah, why don't you post it in the Google Classroom?
Sure, we can play it right now.
Not right now, Ma, because you know what? My 5th graders are as well waiting.
Okay.
Okay, they have the class in 2 minutes or 3 minutes. So why don't I go there?
Post it in
And why
Google.
don't you put it out in the Google Classroom? I will assign that as homework if it is great. Nice.
Okay,
But
I'll try.
you know what? But you know what? I can't see the reports if you do that.
Wait, okay, I'll just make now right now I'll just make now on a game kit. I'll right now just make a kit of your kind of questions.
Yeah, why don't you do that and send it to me the link?
Yep. Or
Yeah,
maybe since we're almost done, I could give everyone the code really quickly.
You can give it, no problem. Okay, you can put it in the Google Classroom. Go to stream and put it. Everybody will see.
Okay.
Got it?
Yeah.
You can put it under streams. Everybody will see and do.
Okay.
Got it?
Wait.
Okay.
But could he even upload it? Like we can upload it on we can announce something to our class?
Yeah, you can put it in the stream. Everybody will watch it.
Okay.
But how do you create a game kit?
Hi. Yeah.
So basically, you have to go to like GimKit, and then you have to go to kits, and then you have to create a kit, and then log in to get the GIMs or something.
Yeah. Yeah. You can do it, guys. Whatever you
What
want,
the
you do
heck
it.
are you
And
doing,
let's have the
Nani?
conversation in the streams. Okay?
Okay.
Let's have the conversation in the streams. I'll help you guys to create a kit if you want.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, guys. See you all next week.
Okay, bye.
Bye, Priya.
Bye.
Bye. Happy Diwali.
Bye, Miss Priya.
Happy
Happy Diwali.
Very happy Diwali.
See you next week.
Bye-bye.